Are you tired of cutting your lawn with scissors?
Yeah, my hands are gonna fall off. And there's so much more to do. Whoa, what's that?
This is the lawnmower. It's created by Edwin Beard Budding. It's the discovery of a lifetime.
Is this a dream?
No, it's the future.
Miss Sylvia Ullman, what are your thoughts on the lawnmower?
This lawnmower has made my life so much easier. Just look what it can do to my lawn.
What about you, Miss Tessa? How has this invention changed your life?
Well, ever since I heard about this amazing invention, my life has been so much easier. Not to mention, my lawn looks great.
Ms. Corolla, your thoughts?
My son John has been using it non-stop and finds it to be outstanding. I really enjoy the special features, making it safe for my loving children to use. The lawnmower is affordable. Pay one very reasonable price of $200. Our parts are worth the pay. Our lawnmower is also easy to use. We have top-of-the-line models for our customers for a clean lawn in no time. Easy to clean, and cutting your lawn takes half the time it used to.
For any lawn. It's easy to store away, and kids and adults can use it easily.